Stars, I'm Maddie and welcome to my channel. If you have not yet became an official Glam Star, all that you have to do is hit that subscribe button in order to become one. And if you're really great, you can turn on those post notifications as well. And let's go ahead and get right into this video. I will be doing a coconut oil and baking soda mask in order to replenish my skin. My skin has been suffering from this weather change, so I decided to give my skin a new life and a new glow with this face mask. Let me share with you all how to make it first and foremost. Coconut oil is used in many natural beauty products. It's naturally antibacterial and antifungal. Coconut oil for skin is an excellent moisturizer. Coconut oil is great for the skin. It protects the skin from cracking and also moisturizes the skin beautifully. Coconut oil also prevents premature aging.
Just another sunny day in Southern California. It's where the people came to play. Don't let them transform.
Next up in this mixture, we have baking soda. Baking soda is a great exfoliating agent that helps remove dead skin cells. In addition, it also balances the pH balance of the skin, which is very important to maintain even and clear skin. Okay, so here I am all fresh faced and ready to apply my mask. If y'all have not seen my skincare routine, then go check it out. It's what's gotten my skin to this point, but I need some refreshing. I've been drinking a lot of sodas lately and that's been horrible on my skin. So I'm hoping that this mask will help with the pimples that I have and also with a few fine lines that may be on my face. So here's my face mask, you all, and I am so excited to apply this to my face. I brought out my e.l.f. stipple brush, small stipple brush, to apply it to my face. So that is exactly what I'm getting ready to do. I'm excited to see what type of results this mask is going to give me. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so my mirror is right here, so if y'all see that, that's what that is.
You made a big mistake thinking I would wait. Never took the time and now it's too late. I hate to feel ignored. I need someone to care for me forever, to make me feel secure when we're together. I wanna feel adored.
Alright, so now I have the face mask on. I'm going to leave this on for about 10 to 15 minutes. And I love the smell of it. I think that I love the smell of coconut oil. I am a bit weird, but I absolutely love how it feels on my skin. Okay. I can't wait to wash this off and see what type of results I get. I was looking for masks to use and I came across this one on my mom's channel. So I was like, you know what? Let me try it out. This face mask helps to eliminate fine wrinkles in the face, and it also helps to moisturize the skin in the process of eliminating the fine wrinkles. It also gives your skin such a beautiful glow. This is one of the most amazing face masks that I've tried, and I am back and I'm going to share with you all the results that I received from this face mask. And this is the finished result. My skin feels so amazing and so rejuvenated. I love this face mask. It was my first time trying it, so I'm going to try it out again and again over a few occasions. And if y'all would like to see, I'll pop in and share with you all the type of results that it's given me after a few uses, because this is just one use. But I love it. So far so good. It has made my skin feel so nice and so smooth, and I definitely recommend trying this out. All it is coconut oil and baking soda, and girl, you can get the skin that you've always wanted. Now, just because it works well on me doesn't mean that it's going to work well on you, so definitely make sure that you're taking precaution when using these products and making sure that your body is okay with them. I definitely recommend doing something like a patch test where you put it on that one specific area and see if you have any type of allergic reaction to it. Hopefully you don't, but if you do, then I definitely recommend straying away from this face mask.
I'm gonna end this thing now. And don't you make it harder than it is. Just stop. Don't ask if we can go back. You know that it's too late. I promise.
That is it for this video. I hope that you all definitely enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you don't have anything else to comment down below, please comment what you are, and that is a star. Always remember to keep glamming, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.